Meaning of Hugh Latimer.
Hugh Latimer.
Hugh Latimer.
Hugh Latimer.
Hugh Latimer. Hugh Latimer was an English bishop and Protestant martyr who lived during the 16th century. He was known for his fiery sermons and was a close friend of King Henry VIII. However, when he fell out of favor with the king due to his opposition to the king's divorce, he was imprisoned and eventually executed. Latimer's legacy is primarily as a religious figure, particularly in the Anglican Church, where he is remembered for his preaching and his steadfastness in the face of persecution. Overall, Hugh Latimer is remembered as a significant figure in English history and religious tradition.